Welcome back, children. In today's session, we will revise the topics that are coming in your periodic test 1. Alright? So let's start with the grammar part. First topic is singular plural. Children, the first rule is you will add the letter S with singular things, with the things that are only one in number. For example, hat, hats. So hat is singular. That's why only S is added to it. Fine. Likewise, there are few more examples like boy, boys, fan, fans. All these are singular. That's why we are adding only S to it. Dog, dogs, girl, girls, table, tables, doll, dolls, bed, beds. Clear? Now, moving on to the next rule, that is, we will add ES with the words ending with the letters S, H, CH, X and O. With all these letters, we will use the ES. Fine. Like bus will become buses. See, the bus is ending with S. So we will add ES to it. Then is dish. It becomes dishes. It's ending with H. That's why ES is added to it. Watch, watches. It's ending with CH. Next is box. It becomes boxes because it is ending with X. Next is tomato. It is ending with O. Next is bench. It becomes benches because it is ending with CH. Next is glass. It is also ending with S. It becomes glasses. Next is dress. It becomes dresses. Clear? Now next rule is we will add IES instead of Y. So in those words that are ending with Y, we will remove that Y letter and we will add IES to it. Clear? So first one is lady. It is ending with Y. We will just remove it and we will add IES to it. So it will become ladies. 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 Clear? Next is baby. Remove Y and add IES to it. It will become babies. Then is story. It will become stories. Then body. It will become bodies. Then fly. It will become flies. City will become cities. Berry will become berries. Puppy will become puppies. Is it clear? Now, move on to the next rule. So, we will add VES instead of F or FE. So, any word which is ending with F or FE, we will remove that and we will add VES to it. Fine. So first example is knife. In the word knife, it is ending with FE. So we will add VES to it. We will remove FE and we will add VES to it. Clear? Next is scarf. It is ending with F. So we will remove this letter F and we will add VES to it. Clear? Likewise, you have to do the other ones. Like wolf will become wolves. Shelf becomes shelves. Leaf become leaves. Half become halves. This is wife. Wife becomes wives. Life become lives. Is it clear? Now, the next topic is vowels. So, What are vowels? The letters like A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Clear? Now, next topic is vowels and consonants. Children, the English alphabet has 26 letters. Clear? There are 5 vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 letters. So there are 5 vowels. Then there are 21 consonants. Children, the letters except these vowel letters are called consonants. Fine. So there are 21 consonants. We use an before the words that begin with vowel sound. We use an with the words that begin with vowel sound or vowel letter. Clear? Then we use the letter A before words that begin with a consonant sound. Fine? With the words that begin with a consonant sound. Fine? Children, now look at some examples. So it is a cup. It is a cap. So see, the word cap is beginning with a consonant letter. C is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So that's why we have used a before it. Next is a brush. B is also a consonant. That is why A is used here. Then is an alarm clock. See, in alarm, A is a vowel. So that's why an is put before it. Then is an igloo. I is a vowel. That's why I is a vowel plus it is giving a vowel sound also. Igloo. Then we have put an before it. A butterfly. B is a consonant. That's why A is used here. An egg. Egg in the word egg is a vowel. A cat. A toy. Clear? Now, it is an umbrella. A unicorn. Children, in this a unicorn, children get confused with U because U is there in umbrella also and U is in unicorn also. But in umbrella, it is giving a sound. Umbrella. Umbrella. Fine. So that's why we have used an over here. And in unicorn, it is giving y sound. Y, unicorn. Y sound. It is beginning with a consonant sound. That's why we have used a over here instead of an. Don't get confused here. Next is an orange. It is giving vowel sound. Orange. O sound. Fine. A kite. K is a consonant. Ravi is a teacher. He is an actor. I saw a lion. So likewise you will do the rest one also. Next is let's discuss the article the. Children, we use the before the names of rivers, oceans, mountains, holy books like the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, etc. with newspapers and famous buildings. Now let's take examples. The Taj Mahal. Children, why we have used the before it? Because it is a famous building. Fine. Then is the Bible. Bible is a holy book. So that's why we have used the before it. The Tribune. Tribune is a newspaper. That's why we have used the over here. You can also write the Indian Express. Indian Express is a newspaper. So you will put the before it. Then is the Ganga, or now it is called as Ganges. So it is a river. That's why we have used the before it. Is it clear? Let's take few examples. The Golden Temple. Golden Temple is a building, is a famous building. Fine, that's why the is used here. The Sun. The Tribune. It is a newspaper. The Ganga. The Ramayana is a historical book. We have just discussed that with holy books we use the. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. The earth is round. But with universal truths also we use the, because it is a universal truth that earth is round. Fine. The Indian army is very powerful. The moon shines at night. It is also a universal truth. Clear? Now, come on to the literature part. These are words to learn. No need to do this. We will discuss the word meanings and make sentences plus question answers. So, the first word is, this is lesson number 1. I am a big boy. We are discussing word meanings. First is sink. Sink means wash basin. Sink means wash basins. It means wash basin is a place where we wash our hands and utensils. Clear? Next is wave. It means to move the hands. Right? Now come on to the make sentences. Children, you can make your own sentences also, or you can learn these sentences also. It's up to you. Clear? First one is big. You can write, this is a big ball, or I am a big boy. I have a big car. I have a big house. You can write any sentence. Next is milk. I drink milk daily. Clear? You can write anything. Come to the third one, that is book. I read story book. Fine. Next is the topic question answers. So the first question is, who came to take care of Sunny at his home? So the answer to this is Sunny's grandparents, in brackets you will write Nana and Nani, came to take care of him. So children, Nana and Nani are also your grandparents, but they are your maternal grandparents because they are the mother and father of your mother. Fine. So they came to take care of Sunny. Next question is, where were his parents going? Where were the Sunny's parents going? His parents were going for an outing. Clear? Next is, what did Sunny's nanny make for him? So Sunny's nanny made sandwich for him, right? Now come on to the next topic, that is a poem. The name of the poem is Miss Polly. Children, there is a passage given to you and there are few questions asked to you from this passage. You have to answer them with the help of the passage. First one is, what is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Miss Polly. Clear? Now move on to the next question, that is, who had a bag and a hat? So it was the doctor had a bag and a hat. Clear? It is written in the passage. Next question is, write 2 rhyming words of the word rat. You have to make 2 rhyming words with this word rat. So you can write any word that makes a rhyme with this. You can write hat, tat, fat, mat, anything, right? Next is make sentence. You have to make a sentence with the word doctor. You can write any sentence of your choice. It is written, my father is a doctor. You may write, I want to be a doctor. Clear? So children, with this we are done with our today's topic. So wish you all the best. Thank you. God bless you.